What is going on, everyone? I hope you guys are having a great day today. Thank you for coming back to the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We are going to reach our goal of 50 subscribers. We're already halfway there, so if you guys would want to help a brother out, that would be really helpful. And also to check out my Teespring down below, so you can get some fire merch going. And trust me, it's comfy. But anyway, in today's video, we're going to be installing this skid plate over here, and I've chosen to buy a aluminum skid plate, and you see it's pretty thick right here. It's really heavy duty. I bought this skid plate because when we drop this car, the oil, I'll show you later in the video, but the oil pan on this is plastic, and I don't know about you, but the roads where I live they're good, but they're not the best. Like on my commute to work, I do see a lot of bumps and a lot of steep driveways. So because of that, I don't feel like punching a hole in my oil pan once I contact a shop to get this thing lowered. So that's the plan. That's what I want to do with the GTI as of right now. Just a quick little install video, and honestly, for the money, this looks pretty good. I'm really stoked because there's only like a half cover down there that's also plastic. So, and it doesn't cover the oil pan, which is kind of annoying. So this will cover everything underneath the car that is relatively important. So super stoked on that, and let's just start hopping right in, shall we? So before we get started, we actually need to get the car up in the air. Don't need to take the wheels off, which is a plus. Didn't want to do that anyway, but I was just looking under there, and it's literally plug and play. So I'm gonna grab the jack stands, and lift this thing up in the air. I need Quick Jack to like sponsor me or something, because I don't like jacking things up. So anyway. So here's some of the ingredients that you'll need to that comes with the plate. If I can find it again, I'll link it down below as well. But you get some Loctite and then the 4 screws that hold it in nice and good. So we have those, and then we reuse the other hardware, keeping the plastic one on. Hello, this is going to be the hottest shot you give me all day, so buckle up. But as you can see here, plastic oil pan. And it's really tight down here. I should have raised it a little bit, but you know what? Better safe than sorry. We're gonna be, the thing that we are removing is this plastic cover that does almost nothing, especially when you're gonna be driving a lowered car soon. So we're taking this off, a bunch of T25s that go around the perimeter, and then I'm gonna hopefully not drop the aluminum plate on my face 500,000 times putting it in. This comes off, that goes on, and it should be really straightforward. So now that we got the old skid plate off, now it's time to put the new one on, and that's gonna weigh 5 million pounds. But what you want to do first is put Loctite on all of your nuts and screws and everything, on the big ones, the ones that they supplied for you. So I'm gonna do one of these. I think maybe, and then start grabbing some nuts. Oh! Oh my god. Out with the old, in with the new. Look at that. It's nasty right now because I was touching it, but that's gonna actually do a lot. And it would have been completely different if I was like on a lift or anything, but so now it's all in, it's good to go. Now I can schedule my appointment to get the coilovers installed, which are still over there. What I actually ended up doing was I put this jack underneath to support it while I put all the screws in and lined it up and everything. So that was really helpful. And the hardest part was probably lining it up with these right here. So because then you had to put the jack over there and then line it up and whatever. But once those are in, then you could literally just use your one hand to keep it up and then the other one to screw it in. So it wasn't that hard. But yeah, it would have been a lot easier with a friend around. But how my work schedule was, this was my other day off.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
So if you made it to the end of today's video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I have 2 videos popping up right now for you guys. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on if you haven't already. And stay tuned for the next episode. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.